Last supper at Risley.
See you next year.
See you.
Hug, hug.
You too. See you. Bye bye. I've last minute decided that I will leave Cornell tomorrow and catch a flight on Wednesday back to Taiwan and do my quarantine 15 days, yeah, and then I'll be able to catch New Year's out of quarantine. Also lower the risk of an infection of COVID because it's getting really bad here. Since I've only decided like 4 hours ago, but I actually spent the entire day trying to figure out my flights. How can I like use the minimum amount of money to settle everything, get a bus, also change my quarantine hotel day. I've been trying to pack, but I don't know what to pack because like I don't know and my tolerance towards the weather in Asia right now. But anyways, I have packed. Doing my last round of laundry. It's my last lunch at Cornell. I cleared out the stocks. I have the dumplings, and then I also cooked the ramen's gonna expire really soon. Plus, I also moved to Code Red today, which is actually very serious. But I'm pretty excited to leave. Bye! My room is so messy. Look at my room. Someone's over there. Over there. There. I'm pretty sure I shut off everything. I have improved the bridge. I took away my flag. It's exciting, but then at the same time, it's kind of like I didn't get to say goodbye to anyone, and I'm like just gonna leave. Now I'm going to catch a bus to downtown. Hopefully, I can have time to go to the book office and mail the stuff I have for my friends, and then I'm gonna grab a Starbucks, and then I'll get on the bus. I'm now waiting for a friend in K-Town. We'll have dinner, and after that I'm gonna head to the airport. I've now finished dinner and I'm patiently waiting for the Uber because he lost his way. Oh. It's 1 right now, and I finally got to the airport. I'll just stay here until I guess 6 or 7, and my flight is at 8. And I don't know what to do now actually. First time traveling with a Taiwan passport. Just got through immigration, which was extremely chaotic. They took off everything. I swear to God, like American immigration is like the most, I don't say it's annoying, but like the really tedious procedures I've ever experienced. I have so many things in my bag actually. And I also have a carry-on. So much stuff, blah. pretty. My hair is getting so oily already. 11 or something. I am so tired. Oh, I'm gonna sleep soon. Finally settled for plane, and now I'm heading to San Francisco first. I run into a Cornell ad. Off to Taiwan. I'm wearing sweatpants and hoodie right now, and like I'm literally like sweating because I don't know, it's so humid. I can feel like humidity in my skin right now. But then I miss Asia. I actually miss Asia. Holy shit. Just got my luggages, and now I think I'll have to go do my PCR test, and then I can go. No, I need the money, and then I can go to the quarantine hotel. I'm so glad that like a TA moved my exam to tomorrow, because for sure like I will not be able to make it to the exam. Like literally, it would start in 17 minutes if I have to take it now, like today. It's crazy. Saliva extracted. Put in my bag. Took my specimen. Dinner. So finally, I've settled down in the hotel. I've rearranged my bed. So now I have like a two bed king size space to sleep. But then I'm so not used to the AC actually. Like I'm feeling very cold, although like I turned the temperature to like 25 degrees already. But yeah, I'm very excited to get out of quarantine already. But it has been a very long few days, but I'm very happy that I got to like get here safely. And I got my avocado with me. And it has been a very eventful week. And this is the end of my running away from Ithaca outbreak vlog. Thank you for watching it. And this is the end. Bye!